education. PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
PACO TV live. With Fridays, it's all about the journey of health. Apomuden, Akwantu. The donya ngopon wasen so sa wama ye ne day. Amene yatna se ama yeba be twetwe nkomo kakra. Na won a woson ya sema dwumedie ba every Friday bi ni. Nyame ye Joyce Fashion. Nyame ye Joyce Fashion. So munim fashion it's all about clothes. It's all about dress. It's all about what we wear outside. Inti se upe baby ashe atare ako funeral, churches, birthday party, engagements, baby biara pam entare ko bia nyame Joyce Fashion. When nyame Joyce Fashion and so what unton fabrics into ma rubi a upe biara nyame Joyce Fashion zebra no the bema no no so apamama obi be bisa say nyame Joyce Fashion, where is it located? Late Kubasi DA Primary School opposite in Chemoha. So we drew one now showing Nyame Joyce Fashion. You will find her Nanya Upipia via amount. Near Koye Nimusua, Paddy's mother care. Paddy's mother care. So upe baby at Omofrahu Niama. So himself wearing him. Now pay baby at Akwadanu Niama. A Paddy's mother care. And for any baby J Paddy's mother care or a monochrome a home so or to nyina diapers, baby oil, everything concerning babies, ubenya or Paddy's mother care. Your queer name is Rita Cosmetics. See a cap cosmetics and so na a body, hair, everything I yet can't him Giano, Mahunim Giana ye fe, a Rita's Cosmetics, on also war, a latte. PSTS in Chemoha. Rita Cosmetics, so we baby start autumn air body cream, hair cream, whether lotion and yakaka or something on body splash sprays, any Yamaha baby. Rita Cosmetics, they are your original or the Mba copy. Or you talk to me building and construction. Or you talk to me building and construction. Or also to a dying Yama. So when you so easy would die for when or you talk to me. Building and construction, and also a lot of fire service in Chemoha. And so, you better do me, no main try Musama.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy, and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
So mama kwa baba PACO TV na ene jumedie no e musom for lady titi in ene day the journey of health jumedie me de brem akanka semu ne beka no Apomuden Akwantu na mesra mo afiansa na wa join life na mesra share wate na comment wate na like wate subscribe so why mesra mo wate na jumedie no enkwa echi so sometimes one sponsor you can still contact us. You can still contact PACO TV. Share na what I say. Na what sponsor program no akwa echi. Na energy it's all about health. Everything health biya kan wa hasi. Inti ene no me pese yen kasa for marriage. A healthy marriage. Because in this life no destiny no Nyankopon hihye mu no aware eka ho. So no matter what you do, whether you're bow bema ubenyi unya, aside the money you get, everything you get, so one warrior, you are incomplete. Meaning says I say me unkrofo beka se me boa ba maka. We are incomplete because they do June, July, honomanana we say we are incomplete ampa. So today we are coming to talk about marriage, healthy marriage. Now and me nyini me worry intimate on suffer or suffer or your method is suffer or latte na ono abebo ni din na a try na Apomuden ni atwa so na di mema wa kwaba
yeah na lady titi
yes please Ma come by the journey of health. Dini wa hu deda. Me din di lady Titi. I'm patrol one so it's here for na her for purpose of Mbo Wudi.
Okay, so for penny for remita.
Okay.
So for penny I say we never for remita.
OTW ni Williams. Okay. William. No S.A. William.
Yes, company are going to
Oh, okay. So it's different.
Isaac William.
For me, I know you're a pastor.
Yes,
you're waiting for.
But it is a story. But it is a guarantee. How long have you so penny?
No, you're so for paying.
No, that seconds.
Oh, okay. For how many years now? The pastoral, you know.
I will like a hard now say.
In all, what is so for?
2023. 2003. I'm not ready so.
Nyakopon Frel. Oh, okay.
Yeah,
2023.
2003.
Yeah, I don't know. Hey, okay, so Pastor Isaac, right? I'll call you Pastor Isaac. Okay, so Pastor Isaac, on this show today, we are talking about marriage, healthy marriage. Because right now, me who say our I don't know whether it's contracts, they go 2 years time, they divorce. And the funny thing is, the entire they wear no, and then they make camera fully in Afra. Right now, it's like marriage is about fashion. Come and see what we did. So, you can marriage. What is marriage?
So basically, no, our real, I mean, she say,
okay.
Obo nipa no, but the camp nipa near Bema.
Okay.
And who say, oh, nipa no, you're complete. Send your car, so Maria, when you're complete.
Yeah.
And no man nipa, and die no bebo oba so can nipa. No benya oba, enti akomubo mu, so mba ye kune yere.
Okay.
Enti marriage ye hyehyɛ anyame ahyehyɛ abema ne oba ehia no mu ebobra.
Ebobra. Yeah. Enti young constitution at the age of 18 no to me worry.
That year constitution as maybe the nation.
Okay.
Of this why you pin no betimi aware a o seek o consent na o tituma. You can go ahead.
Okay.
But only say aware no is for mature minds.
For matured minds.
Yeah.
Okay. So research we have two types of marriages, which is the traditional one and a court one. Which one is the most important? But the end here, because it's a young youth now, yabano. One ya pay pon pan. Oh marry, we want a white wedding. What I say, na yeah banner casina. But I see a who here and a who here. So which one, with the traditional and the court one, which one is the most important one?
You can't aware and one traditional one.
Which is Fiedian.
Yeah, friend engagement.
Okay.
And I have
a DNA engagement.
And we near our four trans and energy to say, yeah, the abandonment of Emanas, never dear Banawari.
Okay.
And see, almost terms and conditions, who meet here like no.
Okay.
But people pay no air bro full system of marriage. They no, yeah, adopt it because a boy our no by it's a very law.
Okay.
It's a no, who are a bino so at our witch. But if you dear no so, and also on the strengths and weaknesses, but basically, it was your for papa, mammy, it was your for trans, edutumpe. It is basically when to me and shall also answer we income and found covering one. When a teacher. It's a number I have on 9, yes,
Gen Z.
You one was
okay. Now, Pastor Isaac, you're calling man. What are the benefits of marriage? Our reason for so panning. I'll call you so for elaborate us on it.
Ideologically, Nankasa, already a life. Marriage is life. Into all benefits in life must be shown in the marriage. Into say Osha psychologically. Uwaria unya companionship. Unya obia on the bobra. Into two heads are better than one. Because a woman or a how Oto oboafo akoma to ye. Ti be ma ne oba no tena so mo ware a eboa mo papa. Yeah, before no worry ya 7 yemu. Especially we do certain age because here kasa e be kasa mo ma ware for na mura. Okay. Omo na sebi, omo nim nyansa na say omo ye responsible ana bibi nti Africa dey say omo ware, wo dey menka Ghana asem. Omo ware ya we do stage bi ayi. Anka ba koyo oba. Okay. Obi ehun an advice, onya mother's advice. No dey ni. Okoye single parent oya na lack bibi lucky. We are not lucky, mommy, and also lucky, papa. In Tawari, my couple says our remuno, young woman, entertain water, no shift. So just to send a mechanic who could be necessary, in Perifushia. Our reno and farm would you about 20 years qua, you could qua you. The bush of Fushia, your sister, your bow, you are worried, and as well worry. And Tia Cassa. Ya tape or moi in him somewhere the one of them responsible no we limit it obiting a shift you which and now one thing's no worry is why now preferences different
how
so worry we are free to you be the way you want it but what responsibility be a check you won't do certain things you go away yet because I worry wouldn't say we couldn't and I know you're in it. Inti SME woman life some way be. Inti who are na advantages. Okay. Our no a Buama couples so it to me in Yesikadi or Madi. Bema de Katraba, or Badi Katraba, that they are support to. Sasas be a photo, Kios be a sisu, project be any echo. A Buama. And now, sir. Abrofu de ya kan say enu eyem rani ade ebo aware no so hu ban sebi nipo hu bi entumi sori bebu aware oh ti wo ware na ekọ aban mu a sebi wo so ba ebo oba no anabe ma na ebo mu hu ban intia no so very very important say aware no ware benefits o bi edos o can health benefits so also sa be ma na yare oba no be hwe no oba na yare be ma na be hwe no enche no ho ato no who worry no nkwa wo share o mantwe a bi akom na ekum obi anu aduane ma abra ye hu na che o be ko no asensin da ho obi anu aduane akom nkwa na ekum oh encha worry de boa
okay pastor Isaac say aware boa nti mesira mo bo worry after this show some more worry after this show, we talk about now for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, 8 years, and your medical school na more call. Call worry no. Mate. Okay, so back to my next question. How can couples build a strong and healthy relationship?
Our real problem for our couple count the benefit of it. Proverbs 18:22.
Okay.
Why emphatically we state what say oh area when you oba when you are the pa.
That's a money being you.
And to you. That's not money being so here.
Hey.
It's when you oba when you are the pa no double.
Oh okay.
It's a double come our phone.
Nti zandom no mesra mo anya single nti a mo amutu ndom asole everything na double awale phone no Pastor Isaac I insist to say our phone job so please it's for the married we the married Pastor Yanto as well.
You say how can couples build a strong
and healthy relationships too.
All those who needs now. Your mom rema oko your friend counseling. I say school can create a young one person war. The church of San Yomina on one corner so be an empty for a woofy, the 2 of you. It's not been a way. It's a council session.
Counseling session.
Now, communication. You must communicate openly and honestly.
Effective one.
You must not hide anything. Adebia mo kan wasembia mo kan no kure say ya worry na wo pesa worry ni ye ekina yi no e so obi ehu Yeah, if you are say on any on one some of Kano, and you don't at the heart our area. So you must openly communicate and communicate honestly. And now you must show appreciation and affection. Normally, no, my man and I could say man the pill, the dog. Now at once so now I didn't know say the pill because who no. Bibi was so akume. Bibi ended a one dream. Sister, we dear, remember my Cassano one, we buy me. And see, sa affection. I say, of course, sir. So when him say, oh, I really read a subeted ya, and ye like a person pork to men call cry. Oh, so what, and you must also be appreciating your partner.
Okay.
Or ya, dear, ya, or Bonabaso. If you remember the Saturday and tell me, but a bit also yet. Oh, yeah, or partner, ya, dear, fire. I'm also pesado da paz. Eu vou conseguir se não uma coisa não é feio.
É assim.
Não vou provar não mas muito essa.
Sabe esse? Sabe esse eu. Me because you see ba na me shama carry. You're not trying to you're looking beautiful. One can't have a problem with you.
Yeah, so.
Even if you're my friend, you can ask and say I go one can't have a problem.
Say me mama here.
You people have to learn, of course.
And we must practice trust and transparency. You can't live with somebody you don't trust.
Okay.
And if you trust them, you must be transparent. Also, our in a mystery. Our not like we are seeing the flesh and blood, no. I'm going to point out our in a mystery. But I say, one tremen call, yes, I can make you smart and you, but to the mere fan two from a call. Bema, who could see our bar wouldn't even know. What's the matter? Now, on the country. Nobody the home with. What do you need, Papa? But we do it and we live. Even now 50 years after marriage, 60. Now what's now affable? Our race is a mystery. Inti the you must practice trust and then you must be open. Okay. You must be open. And obviously you must resolve conflict respectfully. Our Arabian want to call him. First of all, dream say. Our na wo kono to kwaba me ne me kunu beka yasem
Abonten so for on TV.
First one you say me kan chobia.
Okay. But say daddy, asem you wo hon so one kan chobia.
David be first one you say one kan chobia.
Eh.
Be ma first one you say me ne me yere nkonko kan chobi. Oba first one you say me ne me kunu nkonko kan chobi. O first one you say ya be settle ya de. So no matter what happens, what is ashe wa de we bo. Na one first answer why you know be catch us say and then my mama ba omo nya siwie na o de oti ato so we say aware e mari na ya ba ko and man o be say aware it is some person worry dia we first say you say yankasa ya ni aja to say aware we are going to build our homes so make sure we protect our marriage ti ya fa ya say ko baby a nti obi ya wade a wonu ukunu o yere wade a na maka na ayakama. So you should be able to resolve conflicts respectfully. You should be able to do it. And then you should set shared goals and values. Also, our area no say I'm say kind, you know. And here is how it's for matured minds. And you'll be at the home friend or cover. And you'll be a whisky can cover. It's for matured minds. Crowfoot you worry because the bobs, a ginger so, you got the boobs and a bobs. Ah, you, a ginger so. And on the hips, eh?
Yes.
The man who on the car original. Oh, my uncle. No, the mind is not mature.
Okay.
It's a something to be bad. But some movie to me, a training muhu, a temple for future, I can come Bible, I should be marriage experiences are a beboa. The rate of divorce confirmed. And divorce was high. You see, my mama personally divorce in the world.
Right now, it is so high.
Those days now, polygamy, and divorce in the world. And then, tells me, you're cheating on me, you're cheating on me, you're cheating on me.
That cheating also.
What do you do?
Good. Papa, my aunt was.
You must spend quality time together. must spend quality
That
time.
one too is really important.
Also, be or bad for one now.
I still don't know.
Oh,
Hey!
when you are a
Enough from.
I'm watching video. I say, how are you? So you must know, say, the way I'm in the shots here.
Okay.
At the same way too. Power now, force only to know. He doesn't lose it. He maintains it. Then he keeps going.
Okay.
And to don't know, each day no so don't increase. Na mo ko. So when you say no we to no say o relax, o be siahwe.
Na say man ni bi wo.
Ye na America. Bo be my ma.
And then the first answer.
Both me man and ma. So na dey it. Na ware say you go back na wa.
Today, now I want to support the women, but as a pastor, I'm saying bones or bones. Okay. Moving forward, what are the common challenges in marriage and how can they be overcome?
Okay. I like that. And how can they be
Overcome.
I like it because challenges in there. Overcoming the issue.
Okay.
Your shares are poor communication. Poor communication, they are challenging. So how do you overcome them?
Okay.
You must stop blaming each other. Problem bar. Don't seek to be righteous, even though you are right. No. Don't seek to be righteous. Seek to address the issue. I brought me there 60 years. So I said, "Me papa. My grandma. Now a friend, Kalina, transit the whole 2 years. She said, "We are beautiful for the warrior. Now we know how. And now we hear how. Feel so good. Man, many. Me so ninja we know. Na akasa me fie no. And I should have how for ata dey go na pie. Akasa me fie ah. Mami. I'm the me have a motion no. Sabe na ma do.
Yeah.
Yes. Me ndia. I mean ma ware put at the bank.
Okay.
I say, "Hey, now you see, our real if you want to overcome the challenges, you must stop blaming each other.
Okay.
And you must set aside days and times for the two of you. Set aside time and day. On say people are busy. Obi pia, obi fianado, but no abre. Odi diwi okoja wa kwada. On the Nawaria they say Oni ne redam kateso na kweku asori na oyi na adwuma ono ne aware ade achi a wama chop on
Kweku ne dade.
Oh kweku the third leg of a man.
Which one is that one?
And so read find out maybe I want 9 years.
Oh sir. Oh
I think me no ba ko na ketwa I think me no ba ko na ketwa so ba
sir
inti ketwa no mutade e ma aware mpa inti ono ware a onim say kweku ye adwuma wa ware sade e cheno chop on ato no okọ
okay
nti enu no ofini sa ware because we chop money by in adwuma but there's more to our ware than that. So there's more to our ware than you have time for your wife. Emma pen come on.
I'm number 1. I'm number 1. Papa, me say come on the aya danka. So I say map and come and I'm number 1. Me enter ho sema. You cover a bit so.
Obi benya wa na efi yade. Adofo ne ebusua be po wa na efi yade. Impo so wo kani nso ho be flo wa na efi yade kroya. Enu ntina midi program awonwaso amatu ni din Apomuden Akwantu mitremu a the journey of health mede bremo was adwumadie mu ye be suanyama bebre ebi no yen psychological condition mitremu our mental health well-being ye be sanso ye medical condition ye physical aspect nyama ye be ya e di impuntu bebre ye nipadua ene ya Apomuden was adwumadie mu nso ye beto nsafre ekukudam expert people learned people senior be ya ye ne omo be sinkondwa ye no matena se ehia ade no matre ye nyama ye be ya ebe boa ye nipadua no ho na ba kokora eye mede ye sex life which edie mu nso because our mental health is stable na physical aspect is stronger when sexing is so sweet and amazing. Was I Julia Demo so and yet the Bian best studio so a told the beer, Yabako Mountain so Yabako if ye fimo market in sorry hospitals any baby biara. Shiame Lady Titi our PACO TV if Yadana if ye de biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Niancho Chonkomo, ye Wedro. So what person won't sponsor program where Emani in ya would dajune, Sawoya market seller.
About PACO TV, the journey of health. Apomuden, Akwantu. I said the many my 000 and and today I'm here with Pastor Isaac. Pastor Isaac, that wasn't being in kind of okay, for you, and we are talking about marriage, a healthy marriage, because in this life, no matter what you do, you have to get a partner, get a family, then build the family together. And after the moving on, Abraboni. I feel like join Mr. Remo. Why? Mon comment what say? Na mon bisa questions. Na mon like and na mon subscribe. Mama what say? Mr. Remo. And with this marriage, you see a dear baby. Mr. Remo join it. Tell friends, you to know it's not about fashion anymore, because Pastor Mayanti, as I said, marriage is about the mind. A matured mind, and it's a journey, and it's a mystery too. Indeed, all person goes a journey. Please join the life and let's learn. Daddy, you could break cra. The could break, I need to ask you this question: sex before marriage and marriage before sex, which one is good?
Which one is good? What the Bible says is perfect.
And then here,
Bible doesn't encourage sex before marriage.
Okay.
And that is finito.
Okay.
No matter what somebody thinks, what God says is final.
So we should go through the courtship, no sex.
And so courtship doesn't permit you to have sex.
Now say one so engineer, so now become engineer so get papa.
Engine, because Yakupon no onion mistakes were bonipa.
Okay.
Yakupon bonipa no, there was no mistake with a human being whom God created.
Okay.
Engineer will also be reality.
Okay.
If you want to marry God's way, obey His principles.
And you get a perfect one.
You get a perfect one.
Good. So now me Visa say, how can couples maintain intimacy and romance in a long-term marriage?
Very good question. In that sense,
okay.
Intimacy and romance in a long term. Nipa that's any pediano. There were stages.
Okay.
There were stages. There were the teenage age. There were the young adults. There were adults. Then on. And then the pediano. So because of that stages, stage you are very active, and you desire sex and romance. That is the stage of towering. Kuari we are. Because now we are. That's why I want to take up. That it take also because of maybe pressure from the economy and health, and I'm not want to take up. But yeah, one part say even at 90 years, you should still be strong and romantic. It's everybody's idea. Then yeah, warrior, we shouldn't lose. Sa touches na touchy. When you were at hugging, kissing, those romantic moves, it should be on and on all the time. And you can say, also, I could in such a way, say, I'm from.
But Daddy, you being a pastor right now, and let's talk in a Bible way for some time. I asked the question that sex before marriage, you were like, marriage before sex, it's final. That is said by God, right?
Yeah.
So what if the person doesn't know how to do the romance? Because they are caught in Bible way. I don't think we should do that thing to even show that you can do it. Daddy, we have a lot of men, they don't know how to do romance. They can't even romance you. And I'm romance.
A lot of men now want to be romance you.
They are there. Me they but they are there.
They are not there.
It is true. Okay, try me more hono.
Nyawotre. Ni pedena yakopon boy. Complete.
Okay.
It doesn't lack anything. This is all yare. But me be any asasi so a onim romance. This is we no no onye.
They almost shada.
Okay, shada they mean you shada but e be ana ne bring ne upbringing no.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Amano anye so that. Yeah, so for we. Ebi mo ba uko mu fi a mo to what bo.
Asofo no. Sana asofo wa reading.
Bi ba heading. Ebi so ko wa o ti say jata.
Okay.
Sana obiati. Enti se wonya ware a odo na be hye omu na wo de pen papro no. Why ignite no? Eso enti say ja. Utwe mo ta be so no. O kon be do no. Mo be fenfa, mo be tetar. Mo be ye bibia. Enti se ba ma na nye saa. I dey say bia na adwindwin bi abɛ hye no so. Na wa ye dwin.
Oh.
Yeah, bro.
But mo fe chenso. Don't be maybe oh won some more drink. No, side chicks no more drink. Mo me yes sir. Why? I am trash.
Eti area number 1. Mamu nja se so mu na ekeka ho no. And then you have to be playful. So we diagro. To know you diagro. To know who diagro. You must play. Agro ni na bua. So won to know you in diagro. What compare ni e
I listened to one experience about this marriage thing, and the person was like, time na no more dating, no more diagro pa. But omo worry, you know. Maybe you date him because fear. You took it normal. Jawa said you took it normal. He named Tanta Papa Mendu. You took it normal. But immediately omo worry the same words no taking offensive. What about that one?
Because and America said counseling and win here.
Okay.
When you go through counseling, they make you understand say our area grow. There shouldn't ever come a time we try grow so. We try so and the process about. It's a brother moody tina moody abroad no. My worry say moody abroad no more. So we do more. And when I be more cry say moody abroad. The children will learn from the parents. Just say moody abroad. It's abroad just say moody. So with the munya time must be go you say to be called outing. No way sometimes crowd we must go some hotel. Ese to be called mo some baby we didi. Ese mo faka wo car park your car. Mo fa drop in for chrome. These things all help. Ignite or don't know. E mani jina. E mani ye kese pa. You must also talk about sex.
Okay.
You must be plain and talk about sex.
The styles in example come myself. Okay.
That you have our race is the only setup where we can talk about sex. You can't talk about sex in dating. You can't talk about sex in chapel. You can talk about sex when you are with your partner. That's the only place. In for sex, how do you enjoy it? Woman, tell your man, I like it this way. Put it here. Hold here. I mean, man, tell her, I want to go this number of rounds.
Oh, okay.
All that. No more. Our formula. Masa. Kekedro.
Ginger.
Unim garlic.
Okay.
For your team man no.
Sorry.
Me
but your mood see mo do sa stage no. Papa yanko.
80 you must invest in the marriage.
Okay.
In fact, marriage is your life. If you don't invest in it, you collapse it.
Okay.
Ni abeba kan woni say you must be able to forgive.
Okay.
Now we can say remember no scientists ni ade. Masa mama no nya wa obedi. Wo de no ka adwen jo masa we go aware. We go aware. I don't have problem with that. I'll go through the phone. I don't have problem with that. And I'm not going to sit here and say go through your husband's phones or don't go through your husband's phones. I won't say that. We should or you be or you playful guy. Now we should the phones never how massa. mpokoto. Their phone to baby. Why the same thing. Be big biara, I didn't to qua, need to avoid it. Who could your money? No catches or darling, sorry. Forget it. What is your money? Oh, Mira, sorry. Man, can't you. Because our area were something I said spiritual.
Yes.
I want some pay. Spiritual people don't like us to marry. They pride in divorce. Oko warrior fefe. I never chance to cover them with that. Now when some come, that's so my warrior. So I was some doesn't, and I was not in your house. What's in the coffee can attack guy? I was not your neighbor. Or let me say, it's true. Into our warrior, you better worry, you better party, can see, you better fanfare, the though it is good, I want some in some way. That's what says our warrior. And one of the tricks I want some usually say. Obekuma wa kai bonia o partner the year wo unya kind of hold on to it our any it give bad trouble interest bad trouble faith the next issue divorce.
Okay, then now me bisa say what kind of way do you believe in say bema worry double
and you be believing in
but is it right
and ya bonnie so be worry me. It's not a son to marry two. But it is better you marry one.
Why?
And who troubles?
Not two.
Not two. But to worry two are better since of a champion.
Okay.
Oh. Only one, Obi and Bible worry one or worry two and was my money. Which we catch a David said, a man and your woman who pay Biaka one, catch me. No cook Obi, Bako Fanny.
Okay.
It's a coupon pedestal. But it's advisable you marry one if you want your peace of mind.
Peace of mind. Okay, so what are some effective conflict resolution strategies for couples?
Effective conflict resolutions.
Yes.
Effective.
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 Yes.
In fact, conflict resolution dear. And one is asamaba na yeka amana ye na so biaba. Number one. Me feel says asamba muntamwa because ebeba twumuta asamba muntam na mo ka say me no dey ka asem no nipa whether you are faulty or not e say we tie e bo kasa no
Okay.
na we tell tie no you can na o go with o asel wate and don't judge what the fellow is saying. Don't think yourself be defending wo the problem okay na madam for no buy the way I share no na sika no the tini na no who say o kasa no wait we are you are solving problems enti who person here man na kasa bi you might if that will solve the problem men ko hob you might
Yeah, partners no more doing say oh shame yes.
So we want effective way of solving the problem.
Okay, to bring peace.
That's all.
Okay.
No matter how hard it is, you try and obey it.
You try and obey it. And then you see idea baby Mr. Pastor say unbelieving in double marriage. And now Pastor one okay sir. Or say now the bed worry too no. Hey. Now the bed hey.
So we are Juma pharmacy, so we are Juma hospital, doctors for Obi Benya Wanefi Yade. A dofone ebusianda dear Korea. And Muntina, midi program our so amatu within Apomuden Akwantu, Mitrema, the journey of health, medical condition, Mitrema, our mental health well-being. Your best answer your medical condition, your physical aspect, Yama Yabeya, Eddie improve to Bebre Nipedia, and a people, learned people, send your beya, you know, be seen kunja, you know what's nasi, Eshia dear, no much way, Yama Yabeya, Ebe boy, Nipediano, Nabahoko, a day in sex life. Which a dear monso because our mental health is stable, na physical aspect is stronger. when sexing is so sweet and amazing. Was I junior dear so and yet the bia near best studio so a told the bia yabako mountain so yabako if ye fimo market in sorry hospitals any baby biara shiame lady titi our PACO TV if yadana if ye de biara 11 o'clock to 12:30 p.m. Ni anjo chenkomo ni ye hwedro so wo pesa won sponsor program we ya emane iya wo dadwene so wo ya market seller ni so wo ya ejuma of pharmacy so wo ya ejuma of hospital doctors for lawyers for lots of companies for any biaye bebre ejuma ahu bebre you can sponsor this program send ye be ya ye bedru echu makra mo hia me abrenya abrebia medamase
Mesanso mama kwa baba PACO TV and they show this why it's all about marriage, it's all about the journey of health, it's all about your health is my priority. Now if you are joining live, please share, comment, like and subscribe. Now follow your platforms in our TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook and all social media platform. Miss Remo Papa, that sounds so baby. It's all about this marriage issue, and you're making the show very interesting. And for someone like it, the way you are elaborating on the show. Yes, they like you so much, and they're like they want you to come on the show again. What do you say about that?
If only there's time.
If only there is time. Hey, Papa, in 2 months, you're going to have around by baby man.
Say, oh, from that time, one.
Time will be one kasa. It's maybe how you do, How can couples balance individuality and partnership in marriage?
Yes, and also a very important question because marriage nankasano. I pay people for dreams say when you worry or bar waton. Okay. For dreams in fact, a session of settlement, things like that.
Someone in the head of the family.
And really just say NSA, Sanya Kupaye.
Okay.
And we to miss the son.
But so be at the head of the family, so taking any responsibilities to you, bro.
And also the Sani Pacro.
Now.
Yeah. Huh? Trisa. Trisa girl. And she said, I'm an American. Our real Obana, our in one tone.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, life partner. Uncle Mama Bobra. Oh. And you must respect her and give her free space and give her privacy.
Okay.
You two women would to give your husband privacy.
Privacy as in
say, oh, I will be or no near Wakua and our bawa. I'll be sent so all the time. Own to me to channel Ukra. Look at the question you asked me. Yes, we are married, but I should have my privacy. I should be at liberty to do some things for myself. That's the question you're asking me. And he said to understand the question, Bemano, a member that I saw, which we catch and say, Bia, Menko Bibia, no one better house, Bia, Faha, men Faha. And yet the one, but the point is say, Obano must be free to bring her mind into the marriage. Maybe in Tia Babi, about saying one of it, a bit too. No, and maybe in Tia Babi. But Obano, any party say, hey, now my young son, I will be in fact, I hope I'm more man, Mamma, one give us a I said another. Women, they are wise, sensible, even though I hope on the baby so at Taki won't send a bear on very respecting Mamma. And she about to send the Ankara, I can't find the baby said, or about to you, to be not to you, what about you? And we give the women the chance to operate. We give them the chance to be at liberty to do things. Only say we monitor Sebia and Afufu and person of Anafubonia who to for BT, which here on Fanafuboni, until you give her the free chance to also live. Or tear sin and in Yajino, and Wawa and Ankasa. On your which we cannot be, which with the ideas about our Emma would dream with Yenoma and one Qualano. Sometimes in the Bemas may would you about him perform. I know for because I'm Qualano Beman Quano show. I'm also saying per 5, over say per 1, or per 1 and 1 and 1 car. Yeah. Into this sort of rapport, no, it should go on in the marriage. Yes, so be a free. Yes, I worry to me cook room. Yes, I worry to me cook enough for. Yes, I worry to me fan and phobia. Ah, I worry prison. I worry in prison. I can move for people to know that you're a married person. Whether man, it's that is how we shall ring. Or ring, you know what? Oh, yeah, that man now look at so about the penalty such a ring. I don't think so easily.
Papa.
And yet easily as so beyond sharing.
Papa.
That's the difference.
Sister, you to know my ban. Almost almost per more motion kawano.
But the point of the person making is say Usha Kawano a ball mobile. A ball mobile. That's what I want to say.
But some people don't respect the ring.
I know I don't want to use certain words, but what the young canny papa wants because yeah, and I'm way in an edipa. In an edipa. And see, my uncle papa wants it. Papa, or who say beer, Usha ringa, only a casa of a dream. Obia 777 the any honey of an obey. Yes, I found one once and I make yeah, you can papa for 1 7. And he said, Usha Kawan, your bar said, Mamma be so frail, also shall not. Last I said, I have a tea, sister, be a friend. I say, also, my worry, I said, you open up and all this. They are filthy, these are filthy. And the papa, yes, sir. You see, so you are talking about the papa in terms of our rate. And we have to let our husbands and our wives be free to move about and contribute towards the marriage.
Okay. So moving on, what are some signs of healthy and unhealthy relationships?
Healthy and unhealthy marriages. So I worry papa.
Okay.
Fine. Young Kasam fa sikasem. In fact, we young fatu. I worry papa. The man so will be so nibi. Eritnase. Asumbi wo fie sikasem. I worry ne nje papa. The man so nibia obi abete nenga. Obi po a the man kra the oba ne nso. Ade ba ko say the pressure to member so pa yesikasem. And oba na onko ware so tumi ware oba obete wase. Ah wonni sikam po a ne nimrehwe. The number for now, you're multi Brazilian hair.
Yes.
And then the hair is
Bond Street.
You who couldn't this call them out? And I want Casas who this car or they cut off. It is said, who maintain your one. Oh, it is said, oh, our pa, Ubenya or Bano. Never in this car. What he said, fine. Only black and white TV po. Radio ki 2 minutes in them. O better some biam. Better to go be ama.
I said me some question. I will funny be why they check those things. Bema na akwakofa no nika oniska sebi on your level. Some parents check those things. What about that one too?
And they say we parent no check his idea. Enti yeah kasa Abraham anya ware.
Okay.
Enti say o check na wo pass ya. Wa ware no o check no one pass one ware no one ware no nti isi akasa ba mo amaware our papa ne aware sebe bone nti once when you wura mu no wo oba ne ba ma na mo bo mo bra is between the two of not your father not your mother not your friend not your uncle not your pastor not anybody, it's between the two of you. Nti you should be able to live the life to make you happy, not to please somebody. Our papa bia no mu po bra no please mo akasa mo mu mbo bra no please obi say wadamfo bi nukun akwa brochira ba watoka ukun ni bi na ogwefu na okasa wo no what do you mean? What is that? Abro be ware no nika still onya aka and memfa pressure and todo so ma no ko wia abansika so ya ban edwuma anon ko bo epu mfa kotoka because of that. Nti our papa bia no asomdue wo abutre wo wo kompa so abro po de be ma no wo fon kra wo nsere no wonya abutre je ne duro be ma no wo de kokoye ne duro ma na ho odemba na wo de ye ne wo de be ye. Our papa bia no is always peaceful and loving. Okay. Problem ba mo so mo ma de neat softly. Obi ante mo asem. no chronic kusiano media mudi gari ni meku amudi obi fa de enko di fried rice en fa wo ho stars ya be e man mpem mi hye wonye bi anhye kura en fa wo ho na okunu wo no de ama na mo ti aso wie that's our papa wonye bi fine wonye bi come on no problem ese mo no mo ya se mo di no problem but you say because say Abraham worry no no one say we didi we be worry wonya wan no ti na owefu na ntokwa wa worry and I say we be man so na no every good marriage is peaceful and the ever go marriage na peaceful no is from you the couples. It is sometimes so what you do is say you have to attend certain programs to listen to talks on marriages. You have to read books. In fact, you must build your home. Make your home a peaceful place.
Okay, so Pastor Isaac, this question is coming from FB, Facebook, Nanayao. I'll say, I learned one have to be a fool so that they can have or they should be healthy marriage. Is it true?
You're penny for 2 years for sir. So I said, because two captains can't be in a boat. William Nyansa, Mr. Nyansa. And they said, I didn't know. It's about I just inform you, no worry. That is, a more can't edit tray and say, Mammy and Tree at the time. Bakun Jane. Nani Bobe normally let I hear a man and a yana and quality no game manaka. The new crying of baby, that's some yaba. But I just remember just to me, Jamie. Fena we castle. That is why we call you the fool. But yes, wait me, me, who put on the more. One person, and we send the next. Yeah, we only cushion them. Now, voice no yama about 47 Hamwa. Except about Kumunya says, hey, Charlie, let me tone down. And one day, Mr. Mokasa, just about money tone down. It's all the time there must be one who play the role of the fool. It doesn't mean you are a fool or you are foolish. No, you are not. You are even more wiser. And see, who this so try and be a fool in your marriage. Why? So that there will be peace at home.
Nana, I hope your question have been answered. My interest is better so.
Yo, people, I go by the name DJ Dipsy and I'm locked down with PACO TV. Keep watching.
PACO TV. Experience the thrill of TV.
PACO TV. So the journey of health, because your health is my priority. And then on our show we are here with Pastor Isaac Minta Ofori. Yes, and we are talking about healthy marriage. I hope you are learning, because me too, I'm also learning, youth and the more I feel and please, it's for you people. And the more so I'm we should correct our mistakes, and we should bring peace in our marriages. So, Pastor Isaac, our last question.
I'm correct too, one thing.
Okay.
Once a Methodist minister, use the Methodist balance.
That one is
very reverend.
Very reverend. Okay. Point of correction. Very Reverend Isaac W. Ofori Minta. Okay, so my last question. This question, I want it to be for Omo Afias Ombabe Rawari. And Omo because it's our race part of journey. A journey is yes, and and suddenly you wrap our room since it's a mystery and journey.
Okay, so I think say one kasano, you must know yourself. Okay. And knowing yourself, the question is, do you really want to marry? And why do you want to marry? And it's a woman's person warrior. Then you can start making the steps, taking the steps. And you know yourself, say, you'll be a Our area so the enfa chisel come.
Okay.
Remember the chisel.
Yeah.
Hey. And you're on the photo. Second ding. Until you're the tape to. So you must know yourself whether you want to marry or and can you marry. Then having done that, it's only God. It's only God. Nobody or thing can give you a good marriage apart from God. So what is your relationship with God?
Okay.
See, many people don't have time to pray. And you'll be at the worry, no. You'll be at the worry. No more fair. Opussy. Okita Coca-Cola shape. There. Say all those things by your worry, no. It is Oma when you could rush up such a person, no, or how about what you that man was car. What is what is. But you'll be at the worry. So you must pray. You must pray. You must pray seriously. I won't give you the length of time I say or the bomb pie, but by me, my standard, not less than 1 year. By me personally, my standard, not less than 1 year. If you can pray 1 second and God will respond. Intimate to him more time. Or be Samia, pray a lot. Especially, Abra unyo biya. So person worry we are not don't pay. Then, so if you listen and meet you when you be so, so politics will pay. And see, who to me, yes, spiritually, no. We did say Yakopon. He's not that wicked. He's not that wicked. God is never wicked. He will meet you at the point of your need. And so 1 year already so we won't pay. Now we should see kakra one more film with connections. Nowadays, Akura Waremudia. Men Kasaboni di Wichi. No, that's not what I'm saying. But the problem is never how do you solve them? And the problems that will come. Upompayo, one more payo, there'll be problems in your marriage. What is also for Bikra Kofi? Obikra de Yanyo. But say, so far, source of Mammy Corner or Bono. It happens. Great example, eh? Yes. It happens. Also for Crapo or one worry. But the difference is a prayerful fellow. So, Bompire and Gopon, maybe I'm maybe I'm
Okay.
and you enjoy marriage.
And you enjoy marriage.
Marriage, I do.
Yes, I worry. Do feel that the far.
Yes, sir. Pay
So please, choosing a partner according to very Reverend Minta, or say, be prayerful. Ask God, and God now will direct you. Okay. A brenna I did and say, they are Baba point to me, you know. But me pese unsha camera nim e den I walk at your mom show omo obechi omo and a little piece of advice to yanya ya babel warren so and omo wo
Echia de etie bia no ese medika echia me kro mehi
good
osaberma ese do ko abebi olited ana onkwaso
good
oni umpelifo de bichia mo also chairman bishop Kofureda was a bishop on opinion on was with Chiano and Chia Obia or Shay and Ranchel Ketesia Moba Yakupo Shiram Wabunya with Ramanyame. Moon did last stage, moon did last stage, and there and Ketesia and Ranchel Abano. When you be an old dream pound, Paswagro, oh, what? She said, Brina, wouldn't pass over. I said, no, Aria, I'm not even the way. Yes, Ramo. Yes, Ramo. When you pass over going free, and Mom Pie born to me. Yakopon, oh, be shroud. Sabi, our arena will be just a war. Yammy man worry. There's Yaminka, Sadia, over worry. Tinyabo tre. Na bomb is of Pompire, and who's Yamia semi. No, will see your home. wo your ba so aduane ye ne so se si die huni so se ni penifo kasa so you have to serve e ma ni penin banku ko ni twi o so ko ware banku ko ni twi da with the fast food ya ware so what is the baby marital material marriage material be a marriage material
maybe na me she
it's remember also know how to love. Although it's about giving, I love you means I'm giving you myself. Bible or say oba indinu kunni na be ma no so ndo na yire say na Christ dey no ho ba for re ma sorry no be ma for ho ba for re e ma o yire
good
it will be a enhye so sa na be yin shira mai e wo Yesu dey mu amen na ma mi chance of mama
okay
oba papa
hey
oba be tiri so na mai dey ma sorry
okay
as of be reta na mi shira what
sure
wala ina so ofie na sha aso na wo Yesu dey mu amen
amen. Okay, so this advice is coming from very Reverend Isaac Ofori Minta. W no pasha esha ho kaka mama what say am kai am fine on show mama. Good. And today on our show it's all about marriage, healthy marriage. And chani aba be story jumedie no so na muni se me kwana me yesa jumedie aboafo a omoboa me bo me chidoma jumedie ba so ni nyame ye fashion or eye latte Kubasi DA primary school opposite ope baby pam atare akọ baby biara wa sha atare kodia nyame ye Joyce fashion Paddy's mother care Miss Remo. It's about marriage, it's about pregnancy, it's about bearing children. It drew hono ma mo fa mo hincha Paddy's mother care ono so wa monochrome eyan kwala ho nyama bia obenya wo hono na eye original so Rita Cosmetics ono so wa eye latte PSTS in Chemoha body splash, body cream, hair food, wigs, ultra, everything concerning the body. Rated Cosmetics. Udru hono no so obenya bibia pe. Niye koye ni so a oye talk to me building and construction no so fire service in Chuma ope adan hu niama oye talk to me building and construction roofing sheets iron rods biara nails paint everything concerning building oye talk to me building and construction. Na ansanso na mesori so na me de aseda kese ma me crew members for Santi Ago baba na pebia chale